Okay guys, today I'm going to paint some knives. I'm really excited. So first I started out and I spray painted them white already because you want the colors to pop and be vibrant. So now I'm going to outline with this little handy dandy paint marker that's red. Alright guys, it's a good day and it's a bad day because it's the final episode of the Halloween specials. Darn! But It's an epic one, so that's exciting. I finally got to the knives, which you all have been waiting for. I did a serial killer knife and a clown knife. So we'll start by showing you the clown one. This is Art the Clown from the Terrifier movie, and boom, Twisty the Clown from American Horror Story Season 4, The Freak Show. And then, now let's get into the serial killers. Chucky, my all-time favorite horror movies of all time. And Hannibal Lecter from Silence of the Lambs. Cannibalism at its finest. Alright, so if you guys liked the video, please leave a like, maybe share it with a friend who likes one of these movies, and subscribe for some more artsy fartsy fun. Time for another Halloween Spooky Fest video.
Heck yeah!
Guys, I'm excited for this one, y'all. Thanks for opening them suckers up. Also, I bought these at the Dollar Tree for $1. I bought like 8 of them last year. Psychopath alert! I'm going to take this paint pen and do an outline. It's red.